In May 2026, Nvidia did what no corporation in human history had ever achieved. Driven by insatiable demand for its compute hardware, its market capitalization shattered the $5.5 trillion mark. To the casual observer, Nvidia is a microchip company that got incredibly lucky with the timing of the artificial intelligence boom. But that view completely misses the terrifying reality of their business model. Nvidia doesn't just sell chips. They have built an absolute monopoly over the infrastructure of tomorrow. From defense and biotechnology to automotive engineering and global finance, every major sector is now forced to pay a technological tax to one single company. Here is how Nvidia quietly took control of the future of every industry. Nvidia's competitors, like AMD and Intel, are trapped in the past, trying to build a better individual chip. Nvidia moved past that years ago. They don't sell GPUs anymore. They build what CEO Jensen Huang calls AI factories. With the massive rollout of their Blackwell Ultra series and the brand new Vera architecture systems in 2026, Nvidia sells the entire computing stack. They provide the processors, the high-bandwidth memory, the liquid cooling architecture, and crucially, proprietary networking tech like InfiniBand and Spectrum-X Ethernet. If a cloud provider wants to train a next-generation AI model, buying a competitor's chip means spending months trying to stitch a patchwork system together. Nvidia delivers a pre-built supercomputer that works on day one. By controlling the entire physical pipeline, they have captured an estimated 90% of the enterprise AI market. While rivals scramble to replicate Nvidia's hardware, they face an even more insurmountable wall: software. 20 years ago, Nvidia created CUDA, a proprietary software platform that allows developers to program GPUs directly. Today, over 5 million developers use CUDA to write their AI and heavy computing workloads. Wall Street Journal Tech Analysis. Nvidia's real power isn't hardware. It is the fact that the entire global community of AI researchers writes code that only runs natively on Nvidia architecture. If a tech giant switches to a competitor's hardware to save money, they have to rewrite millions of lines of foundational code from scratch. That means years of delays. CUDA has essentially turned Nvidia hardware into an addiction, creating a multi-trillion-dollar customer lock-in that money alone cannot buy out. This brings us to the final layer of control. Nvidia is expanding beyond the tech sector. Through its Omniverse platform, the company creates physics-accurate digital twins of the physical world. Heavyweight manufacturers like BMW and Foxconn use Nvidia to simulate entire factory lines before laying down a single brick. Simultaneously, we are witnessing the rise of sovereign AI. Nations like Japan, France, and various Middle Eastern powers are bypassing traditional tech companies entirely, buying billions of dollars in Nvidia systems directly to build national, government-controlled AI infrastructure. When global superpowers rely on your architecture for national security, and industrial giants rely on it for physical manufacturing, you are no longer just a tech company. You are a fundamental utility for modern civilization. Nvidia didn't just build a better product, they built the foundation for the next century of human enterprise. Can anyone break the moat? Or is Nvidia's control officially permanent? Drop your predictions in the comments below and subscribe to keep pace with the future of tech. To see a direct breakdown of how Nvidia captured this staggering level of market dominance and its wider economic implications, you can watch this report detailing Nvidia's record trillion-dollar valuation. This broadcast covers the company's unprecedented financial performance and highlights the strategic industrial partnerships driving its global influence.